LinkedIn hashtags work a little bit differently than some of the other platforms out there, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use and leverage them so that you can skyrocket your reach online. Hello, Socialty Pros. My name is Austin Armstrong, and this channel is all about helping you socialize your specialty so that you can grow your brand and your business online. So if you'd like to learn tips and strategies for how to dominate the online space, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell. Unlike platforms like Instagram and Twitter, hashtags on LinkedIn work a little bit differently. Because hashtags on LinkedIn were first introduced in just 2018, they're still very much in their infancy. What this means is that they're a lot more general than some of the more deep dive hashtags that you see on platforms like Instagram. They're also a lot more industry and trending topic related, just due to the nature of how LinkedIn is commonly used. LinkedIn does, however, have a pretty incredible way for you to actually find what hashtags are being used and followed on their platform so that you can find the ones that are correct for you and reach the most amount of people. Once you're logged into LinkedIn, on the home screen, on the left-hand side, you're gonna see an option that shows you the current hashtags that you're following, as well as discover more options. You're gonna click on that discover more, and what this is gonna do is open up a wealth of hashtag knowledge. From here, LinkedIn will show you a massive list of hashtags that you can use. It's going to show you all of the popular ones, how many people are following these individual hashtags. It's going to give you a ton of suggestions on here. What I highly suggest you do is scroll through this list of hashtags and find some of the really relevant ones to you that have a very large built-in audience already. You can click the little follow icon below them. This will start to show up in your feed. It also indexes them on the hashtags that you're following section. I also recommend maybe just copying and pasting some of these into an Excel sheet or a Google Doc or a notepad or whatnot, just so you have a list of hashtags that you can go after and post whenever you're ready to use them. This is a really powerful strategy to jump into a dedicated audience around a particular topic. All of these hashtags, you can look at what's being posted on there, you can comment, interact, and jump into that conversation, and you can also create your own unique posts around these particular hashtags as well, that you know is going to skyrocket your reach because of how many active people are following these hashtags in the first place. Unlike Instagram, however, LinkedIn sort of has a less is more approach as it comes to hashtags. So you don't want to put 30 different hashtags and spam across every single post. What you want to do is maximum 3 to 5. This is what I recommend. This is what a lot of other digital marketers recommend you use as well. 2 or 3 of these you want to use for very popular topics, trending topics that have a large audience base. And then I recommend creating one for you, for your brand, something that you can index all of your existing and future content so that you both have an index of everything that you've posted, but it's a way for your audience and new people to jump into that conversation as well. Another great tip to expand your reach and use hashtags on LinkedIn posts is to look at the trending topics that are going on at any given time. How you can access these trending topics is by going back to the homepage of linkedin.com, make sure you're logged in, and then on the right-hand side, there will be a widget that shows all of the trending topics right now. You can click on any one of those and see what's going on in that current conversation. What you can do from there is see what hashtags are currently being used around that particular trending topic, and then you can create your own post specifically around this topic, add your thoughts, add something to the conversation, maybe even create a video around that. We're going to talk about that in another video. And you know that because this is trending, because a lot of people are talking about this, guess what? It's going to reach a ton of people. Hashtags are an absolutely must-do strategy if you're posting content on LinkedIn. But you know what is also an amazing tool and it'll take your reach and your business and your personal brand to the next level? LinkedIn video. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this next video. Make sure you click this video link right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create, post, and dominate LinkedIn using videos. If there's anything that I can personally do to help your personal brand or your business grow online, let's connect at SocialtyPro.com.